Good evening, everyone. So today we will be continuing the discussion of MySQL. So we are already done with the data definition language. So let us now go to the data manipulation language. Okay. So when you say data manipulation language, it includes commands that deals with manipulation of data present in the database. So these are the most common commands: insert, update, and delete. We also have select, but we will be discussing select in a separate video because it is a long topic. Quite long. It's quite a long discussion when it comes to select queries. So basically, for today's discussion, we will be discussing the insert, update, and delete. So when you say insert, it will be the command to populate or to put or to add data into your database. When you say update, it will be modifying an existing data in the database. When you say delete, it will be removing records, specific records from the database. So let's go first with the insert statement. So you can refer to this particular lecture notes uploaded in USEP, but in this video, I will be giving you a demonstration on how to do the insert command. Okay, so same with creating table. Before you start inserting data, always look for the tables that does not have any foreign keys. Okay, because the moment you will start inserting in the table with foreign keys, it will prompt you to enter a valid primary key from another table. So always start with the table without foreign keys. So just like what we did in creating tables, we started creating the table that does not have any foreign key. Okay, so same in insert. So in this case, we will start inserting in the product table. Okay, so remember that we renamed the product table into product TBL. So we can rename that again to product, rename table product TBL to product. So that if you will refresh, it's now back to product table. Okay, so you have this. When you will select a table, you will be prompted with the columns under the table on your right navigation menu. So let's clear our CLI and let's insert values into the product table. So you have to remember that how you created the table, uh, how you order, how you arrange the columns will be the same thing in inserting the columns in order, the same order. So let's start. So you have here insert into the name of the table, which is product, and then let's list the columns so that we will have a guide on what column are we going to insert, or we are going to insert data, because we cannot interchange the arrangement of our data. Okay, so you have here prod code, you also have prod name and unit price. Unit price. Then you have here values, and then you can have you can insert data one by one, or you can have multiple data inserted at once. Just separate each item with a comma. So I have to insert 4 data at once. So I'll start with the product code. Since product code is defined to be integer, I don't have to enclose it in a string quotation or a single quotation mark. Quotation mark. Once varchar or character, you have to enclose it in a single quotation. So I have the name melon. Then I have the unit price 800. So that this is one row or one record. So I have to insert 4 records. Then I have to separate each record with a comma, followed by 102. The name is strawberry. The unit price is 150, followed by 103. The product name is apple, and the unit price is 120, followed by 104. The name is lemon, with the unit price 200. So I can have the semicolon as a delimiter or pwede wala, since SQL has already set the delimiter semicolon default. Okay, so the moment I will click on go, all of the data will be inserted for as long as there is no error. So you will have here a success message. So if you will check your product table, you can now see entries from the product table. The reason why you have 2 decimal places here is that when we define the table, we have it of type float, 9, comma 2, meaning 9 is the whole number part, and the 2 there is the number of decimal places. Now let's continue inserting data into different tables. Let's go first to the export destination table. Okay, so insert into export destination. I have here export destination code, export destination name, values. I have 12, and then the kingdom of Minami, followed by 23, Alpha Alpha Empire, followed by 25. We have here the kingdom of the 12. Then we go. So when I will browse, I have here. Now let's go to the sales table. So insert into sales table. I have report code, sales date, and export destination code. Remember here or notice here that you have sales date and the data type is date. So when you're going to insert date, you have to take note of the format. It will start with the year, month, and date. So year, 4 digits, followed dash, followed by month, 2 digits, dash, date, which is another 2 digits. And it will be enclosed in single quotation marks. For example, I have the report code 1101. I have the date year 2020 dash 03-05. So the format now is year, month, date. Take note of that, because if you will not be following the format, it will not give you an error, but it will give you the 00 as the default date, because the SQL has set a default of 00 for erroneous input for date. Okay, and then I have here export destination code, which is a foreign key, 12, and I have 1102. The date is 2020-03-07. Export destination code is 23. I have 1103. Date of 2020-03-08. I have export destination code of 25. Another 1104. Date 2020-03-10. Export code of 12. And lastly, I have 1105 2020-03-12, destination code 25. So if I am going to check on my sales table, I now have data for my sales table. Now let's go to the last table. Let's populate the last table. So insert into sales statement. I have the report code, the product code, and quantity values. I have 1101, 101, quantity 1100. So I have 1101, 102, 300 for the quantity. Then 1102, 103 for the product code, 1700 for the quantity. Take note that you don't have to put comma when you have thousands in your figures. It will cause an error. So 1103, 104, quantity of 500. Then 1104, 101, quantity of 2500. And then I have 1105, code of 103, quantity of 2000. Lastly, I have 1105, product code of 104, quantity of 700. Okay, so that's how you do with the insert statement. Now, let us go with the update statement. Example, for the report code in the sales statement 1105 with product code 104, I want to update the quantity to 1000. So all I have to do is to use the update command. So let's go to the SQL command line. You have update. What do you want to update? Update quantity. Update quantity. And then followed by, no, update. You have here the table name, which is sales statement. I have set quantity equal to 1000, where report code is equal to 1105. So you have to take note here that the where statement is very important, because the moment that you forgot to put the where statement, all of the data under the column quantity will be changed to 1000. So you have to be very careful. The where statement will specify as to what particular code, or it's not code, what particular part of the table you wanted to update, what particular value. Okay, so from 700 I want to update the quantity to 1000. So then I will set go, Let's now check the sales statement. So now you can see that 1105 has been updated to 1000. Notice that both the product code under 1105 has been changed, but I wanted to update only 1104. So we have to check our condition in the update. So let's try to update 1105, particularly 103, and make the quantity back to 2000. So I have here update sales statement, set quantity. Set quantity is equal to 2000, where report code is equal to 1105, and product code is equal to 1103. No, 103. So the AND here is a logical operator that will check for the values of report code and product code to be equal of the set value. So it will target these particular columns to change the quantity to 2000. So let's try to check. So notice that we have reverted it. So we only updated 1000 and we reverted the value, the original value of 1105 and product code 103 to 2000. Okay. So if you wanted also to delete, let's try to delete what they call this one column, 1105 with the product code 103. Let's just add it later. Okay, so delete from sales statement where report code is equal to 1105 and prod code is equal to 103. Let's check. So we only deleted the data for 1105 with product code 103. So the where statement in our delete, from the delete, the where statement here will specify as to what particular record you will be deleting. If you forgot to put the where statement, you will literally delete the entire record for the table sales statement. It's just similar to truncating the table. So you have to be very aware that you need to put the where condition. Okay, so let's insert once again the values that we have deleted. So that is 1105, 103, 2000. Okay, let's check. Okay, so that's all for the three basic data manipulation language: insert, date, and delete. And the next video, and the next tutorial will be manipulation of the select command.